Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here, as you read by the title, to give you a couple of things that I think will help grow your YouTube channel. So you guys, if you would love to hear what I think about growing your YouTube channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get started with this video. So, one thing that I think that is very important when growing your YouTube, starting your YouTube, uploading your videos, is to first, before recording, do your research. Research in whatever it is. Pick a niche for your channel and research those things so you can give the most valuable information in whatever niche it is. You don't want people to basically watch your videos and they're not informational or entertaining or anything. So do your research on whatever video before you record and upload those videos. That way you can give out more of a quality video, more of an inspirational video, more of an informational video. It will be very helpful for your audience. So just make sure you do your research. Research is very important when it comes to almost anything. And it's very important for YouTube. So just research. Learn things and research. The better you research and learn, the better your channel will be. The next thing that I think you should do while growing your YouTube is to upload entertaining, informational, educating videos. Everybody like to come to YouTube for entertainment, especially when they are at home bored. You heard me right, bored. And lately it's been boring. So a person just clicks on YouTube, searching entertaining videos, and guess what? Your video will pop up. Now, your video will pop up, but also a lot of people also like educational videos. Who wouldn't be on YouTube searching also for educational videos, right? Don't tell me you never ever searched on YouTube something very educational, something you needed to know how to do, and you didn't find it. They got almost everything on this platform. So you guys, take in consideration entertainment and also inspirational and educational videos can help also grow your channel. Now, another thing I wish I would have implemented myself, but that can grow your YouTube channel, is researching trending topics on YouTube. I gotta repeat this again. Search trending topics, and let me show you how. Okay, you guys, so basically we're going to go to our YouTube app on our phone, because the way I'm showing you is on our phone. You're going to go in the search bar and type in like challenges, but basically whatever your niche is, you're going to type in the search bar. I'm strolling down because it sent me to the top trending challenges, but what you want to do is go to your far right, and it's 3 lines on your far right, and it's going to take you to the search filters. It's going to say sort by in different categories. As you go down, you're going to choose exactly what you want to see pull up in the search filter, and then you're just going to go back to that arrow to the previous page, and it's going to give you the recent search that you have searched for and pull up the recent ones that you're looking for. So that's how you go to trending. Okay, so basically you come on YouTube before you start recording your videos or anything. You just come on YouTube and you basically do exactly how I showed you of finding the trending topics. After you get to that trending topic that is within your niche, you go to it and you see what videos are trending. Then you put your own idea together with those trending videos that you saw, and you create your own personal trending topic video. Now, this helps your video to get up there and out there, especially if it's not very many people that did a video on that trending topic. So trending topics will help tremendously grow your channel, because at the time, people are literally looking these videos up. It's very important. And also highly searched videos. Same way, highly searched videos. Type in the search bar on YouTube and it'll show you, it'll just be stuff just drop down. And the top ones is basically what people go on YouTube and put into the search bar to find. So just focus, look, and it's important, like I said at the beginning, do your research. Another thing that can help grow your YouTube channel is your lens, or your lens on your phone or your camera. Make sure your lens is clean, clear, and focused. Wipe your lens off, whether it's a phone, the back and front lens, or a camera. Just take the time out before even recording anything and make sure your lens is properly wiped off, you guys. You don't want handprints on your lens to make your videos blurry. You don't want that, you guys. So make sure that your lens is totally wiped off before starting to record. Another thing is your phone. If you're using your phone, another thing is that will probably help you grow your YouTube channel is make sure your phone is horizontally. You guys, don't record straight up and down, you guys. You know, the way you like take selfies and stuff. Don't record that way. Record horizontally, you guys. Just turn your phone around like this and record. You guys, better view, better quality. When you record, I know people that record straight up and down, their phones be up and down. So basically, when you watch their YouTube video, their video is like here, like all you see is in the middle, them in the middle, and on each side is black. Do not record straight up and down, you guys. Record horizontally. Very important. Simple, but very important. Another thing is to just make sure you're picking a time and day to record your videos. Basically, if you don't have all the lighting, all the gadgets yet, you guys, it's just that simple. You don't have to have all that expensive stuff. Just record at a good time of day that the sun is actually coming and shining in your house. Open your blinds a little bit and then turn your camera close to the window and you step away back. So the camera is here and you're standing here, but the window is behind the camera, you guys. It's very important. And I think I mentioned this in the other video. But you guys, I hope you like this video. I hope this video was very informational to you. I hope you got something out of this video. I hope you took notes, and I hope that you go and check out my other video almost like this video. And yeah, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And basically, I hope you come back for another video. So, you guys, peace.